Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we will be showing you how to put on a screen protector on your iPhone at home. And so when you open up the package, you should see two wipes, one's wet, one's dry, and the screen protector itself. There's different quality levels of screen protection. All right, first we're gonna use the wet wipe to clean the screen or face of the iPhone. And next we're going to use the dry wipe to clean up any residue left over by the first wet wipe. So now that you're done wiping it down, we're going to get the screen protector and we're going to place it on top of the iPhone to measure it up to make sure that the edges are fit in nicely. Usually the screen protector is going to be smaller than the phone itself. At this point, you might want to wipe it down one more time with the dry wipe because sometimes a little bit of dust or something gets on. It's also staticky. So yeah, go ahead and wipe it down one more time. Next, we're ready to peel off the film on the screen protector. If the protector is glass, then you might have to just peel it all off. But if it's softer, like a plastic, then you can probably do half and then see if it fits before you commit fully and peel the whole thing off. So in this case, it's glass. The protective film is glass. So we're gonna have to pull it all the way off, and now carefully place the screen protector onto the phone. And if there's any debris or dust that you can see, make sure to wipe that off because it's going to get stuck in between. So then at this point, you just have to be very careful and then press down on one side and then push the air out as you go down the phone. You just want to make sure that there's no air pockets or air bubbles. And then once you press down the top part and you go down from one end to the other, you'll see that it pretty much will push out all the air by itself. But as you can see, there's always a little bit of like air pockets. And that's when you want to get the wipe again and use that wipe and keep pressing down. And make sure you just keep pressing down towards one direction, not like just smudging it, pressing it down. So sometimes it might take a little bit of time, but if you just play around with it, you'll end up getting that air bubble out. And now you have that screen protector on and everything's good to go. A lot less risk with smashing or cracking the glass on the face of the iPhone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope that helps, guys. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please write down below. And thank you. Have a nice day.